Okay, today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix well, what's the problem with the Xbox One not having any power. There's the power brick right there, as you see, yellow light. All right, so now I'm gonna try to plug into the back of the system here. Sorry about that. Here we go. Watch what happens. It cuts off. Plug that in and it cuts off. Now, I'll tell you the fix with this one is. So I went out to the store and I bought a whole new power brick. Now let's see what happens. Okay, now this is the new power brick. Let's see what happens when I insert the AC plug into the back of the Xbox One. What do you have it? Let's try to turn it on. See if we can get some power. Yeah, there we go. Well, that was the problem. The power brick blew out. You heard a pop sound and you have no more power to your Xbox One. Go out and pick up your new power brick. That's what the problem is. I thought it was my fan. I thought my fan blew out, which is at the top of the Xbox One right there. Pretty dusty. So that's it, guys, for today. How to fix the Xbox One if it doesn't get any power. Go out and get a new power box. If you like the video, please like, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks.